Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to use Adobe Express to edit your YouTube videos or any fundamental videos for free. So this video will be a beginner guide and I try my best to make a complete tutorial on it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, we need to be visit on Adobe Express. Just click over here Adobe Express and search it here, and you will find out the option here. In the first link you can see this is the Adobe Express 3 design photo and video tool. Just click over here. It is similar like the Canva, so there have some fundamental option which will help you to edit your video more aggressive way. So here you can see this will be the interface when you will create an account over that place. So here you just need to be click over here start from your content or generate with AI, or here we have bunch of other options. You can browse template over that place. So I'm going to create an content from sketch. That for reason I'm going to click over here. Once I click over here, I will select this option and here edit an image, and it will take a while and set up everything for edit this design. Or you can just click this one and it will blank template where you can add any element you want from this panel. So I'm going to add a text over that place. So let's go and find out which text will be familiar with my design. So I think this may be perfect, so I'm going to copy this and let's select everything and then place it here. Then I'm going to add some stuff like media. Does there have any media or not? Let's find it out. I think this may be good. Let's check out the photos and find out something which will be look pretty nice. I think this may be not working, so I'm going to shift in the elements, and here you can see we have some design assets. I will just copy one of them and I will paste it here, and here you can see this is the element. I paste it here, and once I done I can add animation over that place. Just click over here and click on animation, and here you can see we have various animation option in that place. So here we have couple of animation over that place. You can select one by one which one will be relevant for your design. So I'm going to click fade, and here you can add further more design like audio and many more. Here you can see we have generative AI option where we can generate videos in that place. So the main thing is we are going to work on a video. So how we can work in a video? So now let's go over that place and remove this one, and in here I just want to place a video. So that for reason I will go over here into the elements and then I will search for video. Let's go into the media, and you can upload any video from your device, or you can generate a video from AI, or you can also record yourself too over that place. So let's go on to the feature free. Just click over here and find out a video. This may be good. I'm going to copy this one and I will resize it in my way. So I am going to resize it, then I will place it here, and now you can see the design it looks nice, but in this empty field I just want to place some elements. So I just want to make the design more convenient for my audiences. So here I will add a video or audio. Let's play it. So here you can see it looks really nice, and I just want to add an animation. So let's place it. Yeah, this one is good. Then I just want to place some elements. Let's go over here and find out some elements here. This one looks really nice, the elements, so I'm going to place it, and again I'm going to add some elements like animation. This one looks really great, so I need to find out one by one elements over that place. Yeah, this let's click on view all, and then let's find out some other. This one looks really nice. Again this one I'm going to place it. So here you can see I will again add some animation over that place. Click over here, and this one will be good, and let's play once, then check this out. It looks really nice. So Here I'm going to add a new video which will be relevant with this design. So just go on to the visit on the view and I will download it here, and let's resize it like properly. It will be good for me in that place. And here we can change the margins, or we can change anything we want. So let's go and resize it. So here you can see this design looks marvelous, and here I would just want to add a audio. So here let's add some audio. No, this was not good. Aesthetic. Yeah, this sounds really cool. So I'm going to place it here, drag and drop, and now let's play the audio, and I'm going to add animation over here. Let's check it out one by one, which animation looks really nice. Yeah, this one, maybe this one. I think this may be good. And let's click on preview. And as you can see, if I play the video, you can see this video looks really amazing, and the design is really simple, but it's pretty awesome. And in this way you can one by one easily create your video. If you want to add new media from your device, just click over here, and I'm going to integrate this video, and you can resize it like the clip. You can cut it from that place. Here you can see we have option copy, paste, duplicate, and many more. Like if you click over here, you can duplicate it, you can animate all, you can delete the scene, you can also split it. Just click over here, and two clips are splitted. Like one clip has been splitted into the twice. So here we have many options. You just need to be explore it one by one. Here we can easily generate a video like by AI. So let's click over here and let's describe your video. I'm going to make a video on a schoolboy is walking through a football field, and let's click on generated, and it will take a while to create the video. Then we need to wait a while. Let's wait it. So eventually you can see we already get an AI based generative video. So let's see the video looks good or not. Let's make it bigger, and then you can see it looks really amazing, and it feels that it is really a real video. A boy walking through a football field, and this is a football field and a boy. And this way this Adobe Express makes us one step further. So here you can see you can add camera, you can add zoom out, you can move left, and you can do whatever you want. So here if you are a video editor, then you can think about this Adobe Express. It has various features which is really amazing. And here also if you want to like add media template, then you will find out some popular template over that place which will be perfect for your thinking or your particular aspects. Along this side you can see we have this option your stuff, where we can add our design also. So I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. I try my best to give you all knowledge with you. I hope this video helped you, and if you want to know more about this Adobe Express, just comment below. I will make a full tutorial on it and give you some tips and tricks. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.